Hi, I'm Priya Sinha. I lead product engineering for Managed Mobility, where we design and build customer-centric digital products and solutions serving large multinationals, SMEs and SOHOs across UK, Europe and US. Through DLM Managed Service, we take care of all your device needs from one place. You're able to choose the best and the latest devices from a range of leading vendors. You get to choose from a commercial model that works for you, whether upfront purchase or leasing of devices over multiple terms like 12, 24 or 36 months. You benefit from a self-serve platform, giving you the ability to raise orders, service request and 360-degree view of all your assets in one place. We take care of everything from procurement to retirement, purchasing devices and staging them as per your needs, providing repair and replacement services and collecting devices back at the end of the term. This helps to unlock productivity and efficiency of your teams, reducing cost to serve for your employees. We offer a standardized service across UK, Europe and US. And finally, we have a purpose-driven service, contributing to a circular economy by responsibly recirculating or recycling devices at the end of their term. Leading a purpose-driven service through the DLM offering, we support longer use of mobiles and tablets reaching end of contract so their average lifetime is extended. Around 95% of devices returned can be refurbished, which enables 25% reduction in carbon emissions through extended life. After undergoing a secure data wipe and being restored to factory settings, they are refurbished and redeployed. This helps to drive a circular economy for electronic equipment by reusing and recycling devices. We also support optimized waste management. All mobile devices that cannot be refurbished are collected and recycled responsibly, ensuring e-waste is reduced and minerals go back into the value chain to protect the environment from irresponsible disposal in landfills. Now, as part of our improved offering, when new phones and tablets are leased, an equivalent number of scrap devices are collected from Africa on a one-for-one basis and are shipped back to Europe for responsible recycling. And finally, through our partners on DLM, we invest in projects in Africa which protects forest, wildlife and communities and is certified by Verra to offset 1.7 million tons of carbon emissions per year over the next 30 years. We also provide you with a half-yearly report on how your contributions support a greener planet by recycling devices, reducing e-waste and carbon offsets. Now let's have a look at the portal and some of its features. If you go to the DLM portal, you would typically land on the landing page like here, where you can see there are multiple tabs of raising orders, having a look at the inventory and My Self-Care. We'll go through them one by one. So let's start with orders. As you can see, this is a page where it gives you multiple options, such as creating an online order, a bulk order if you want to order thousands of devices in one go, and some other options. So let's start with the online order. You click on this button here. Here we are at the page which displays all the catalog item of devices as per your choice when you start the contract with us. As you can see here, this is of course a sample flow. So we've got some sample devices like iPhones, iPads, Samsung devices on the catalog. Shall we go for an iPhone 256 GB? So I would like to take this one. I click on Add Devices and Accessories. I can see that this device is available in Netherlands, Spain and United Kingdom. It also has a high-value accessory item included as part of this package. So I click on this, Add to Order, and I also click Add and Continue Shopping. If I wish to add more devices, I can do that by just clicking on this button and going and adding them in the shopping basket. So let's have a look. We have one item, which is for the iPhone, quantity 1. I can change it. I can make it 2, 3, whatever as per my requirement. And I also have a high value accessory added in the shopping basket. I want to choose the country that I want to ship it to. So here I can choose United Kingdom. And you put in some additional details like the shipping address, the end user details, and you submit the order. That's how easy it is to select and choose different device types to be shipped at the same time to multiple countries as part of the same order. Once the order is raised, as you can see, this page will show you all the order list that you have raised over the course of your contract. You click on an order. As you can see the details here with the customer reference. There are multiple tabs that you can go to, which will tell you the shipping details, for example, the order line items. For in this case, we have an iPhone and a SIM card, the billing details where you would be provided typically the billing account number, and of course the device overview, which is what kind of IMEI associated with the order and so on. So this is the inventory where you can see all your devices that you have ordered so far as part of the contract. If you click on any device here, it would provide you details on what the phone is. So in this case, it's an iPhone. Details of what's the telephone number, what is the serial number, the IMEI number, the typical device details that you would want to see, what kind of model that it has been purchased on, just CAPEX or OPEX. It would also provide you the end user details, which is really important because you want to tag a device to an end user. It will tell you the default shipping address that has been used so far on that device to deliver it, and some of the order details. So as you can see, this order was raised on 20th of January 2022, dispatched and then delivered on 24th of January. So that's the level of detail that you would get as part of the inventory view. You come across a situation where your phone is broken, or you've lost your phone, or your phone has been stolen. What do you do? In that case, you can log into the DLM portal and raise a service request. And once you're on My Self-Care, you can see you have different tabs, raise an incident and raise a service request. If I click on raise a service request, it would take me to this page. First thing that the page will ask you is to choose the device that you're raising a service request for. In this case, I've just put in a specific device ID. I click on search and I get this phone. So I have a problem with this iPhone in particular, which is part of the DLM service, and right now it's broken. So let's go through the journey. I click on details, some client information. It would ask me whether it's a broken phone scenario or a lost phone scenario or a stolen phone scenario. And I provide some additional details like shipping address, end user validation, and I submit the service request. Once I submit the service request, Vodafone would ensure that a replacement device is sent to you within 2 to 3 business working days. We also take on your existing device estate management. Without having to purchase devices from us, we can still offer a managed service on your existing legacy estate by inheriting it within our service wrap, supporting your devices through its life term, reducing your overheads on device management. With this, you can still sweat your asset better and able to refresh your estate as and when your old devices come to end of life. Besides that, we also offer trade-in and buyback schemes for your legacy devices to redeploy and recycle your devices for a longer shelf life. We also offer e-bonding APIs, which are a set of Vodafone-developed secure, open-source APIs to connect and integrate your platforms to ours. Through e-bonding APIs, you can directly raise an order digitally on your existing platform, tools, or technologies, which would generate a DLM order directly in our systems. This helps to further reduce overheads on maintaining an help desk or an admin layer between your employees, end users, and the DLM service.